Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download Arduino IDE. Open Google Chrome and type Arduino. Now click Arduino Home. And this is the official page of the Arduino. Under Software, click Downloads. Now scroll down and select this Windows installer for Windows 7 and up, or you may go for other versions according to your operating system. Arduino is an open source platform. You can contribute to them, otherwise click just download. And your software is now downloading. Open this setup and click I agree, then click next and then click install and your software is now installing. If you see this setup in your desktop, then your software is successfully installed. In this channel, I am posting very basic videos of Arduino, so please subscribe my channel if you are a beginner.